seconds, 30 seconds, come on. 30 seconds.
You can do this.
30 seconds, come on.
You can do it. You can do it. Spin.
No, it stopped.
Hi guys. Today we are opening the fidget spinners, but we don't know what kind we've got, and we've already got two here.
What ones have you got?
The LLD.
LLD. We've got LED. So show everyone what the lights go on. Yeah, when they spin, look quite cool, don't they? Your lights are not on, Mills. Put your lights on.
Because my one doesn't light up.
It does.
It doesn't.
There it is. Cool. Right, so open the box and see what other ones you've got.
Okay. Let's see what I got in my thing. I got the bag.
Oh, you've got a fidget cube, see?
I got a fidget spinner.
So what's the fidget cube all about? Oh, and look at that spinner. Oh, I love that, Mills.
Oh, it's tiny.
So you know that fidget spinner can spin for about 4 to 6 minutes.
No, fidget cube.
Oh, look at that. Let's zoom in on that, Mills. Spin it on your hand. Show us what it looks like first.
I don't get
without
how you
spinning
do
it.
this.
Very nice.
Let
Let me see.
Would you happen to get a fidget cube or
Fidget spinner.
I can never spin these because of my nails. Hear my nails on it.
feel it? Mommy, it has a screwdriver.
To tighten it.
Mommy?
Let's see the cubes here.
Oh my gosh, it feels so cool.
So this is the cube. And it's got every single side of the cube. It's got something that you can do. So there's this one where you can turn the circle. You've got a switch.
Let's see if it's clean.
You've got knobs and a ball bearing. Got buttons.
I'm looking if it can spin.
And then
for
you've
6
just got a
seconds.
space for you to put your fun. I like that. It's cool.
I'm looking if it can actually spin for 6
You
minutes.
probably can. Look at it. We'll do a timer in a minute. So let me see it spin on your finger.
Guys, I can see my face in this.
It's lovely, isn't it?
Yep. Oh, I like this side though.
Right, see, spin it in your hand and put it down so we can see it spin on your thumb. Cool. And can you do any of the tricks? And over to you can't do that yet.
Yeah, I can do it on my nose.
There it is.
Mommy,
Wait, now.
I can do it on my
I can do it on my
forehead.
nose as well.
Okay, let's see that on your nose.
I can do it on my nose even.
Right.
Mommy, I
It's
can
so
do it.
slippery.
Yeah.
Mommy, I can do it on my nose.
Right,
and my
Mills'
forehead.
turn. Oh, look at that. And then on your nose. Oh, you did it. Right, see, now let's test to see if it goes, if it spins. 6 minutes, did it say?
Yeah.
Right, so let's put the stopwatch on. Steady, go.
It's 10.
2 minutes. Still spinning.
But it looks like it's about to stop.
It does. It looks like it's slowing down. But it's still spinning at 2 minutes. Right, guys, put in the comments below. Do you think it's going to make it to 6 minutes? Look, it's still spinning a tiny bit. It's got 1 minute to go. Can it make it?
Yes.
Yes, you can do it. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it.
No one touch it. No one touch the table. Let's see what's seconds. 30 seconds. Come on. 30 seconds.
You can do this.
30 seconds. Come on.
You can do it. You can do it.
Spin, 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 spin. No, it stopped.
I like this cube.
Can you spin it on all your fingers?
But at first, before.
Can you spin it on your tongue? Yay! Oh. Right, so we're gonna try and do a competition. We're gonna see if how long the LED spinner can spin without the LEDs in it. We took them out because they can't spin with the LEDs in. So we took them out. So I'm gonna spin and Emilio's gonna set the timer. Right, Mels, you gonna do that?
What?
Ready, steady, go.
Go.
24 seconds that was, and it stopped. And this one's still going strong. 3 minutes 31 and it's still spinning strong, isn't it? So we're at 5 minutes 31 and it's still spinning.
Yep, I'm just having fun with my fidget cube.
Oh, you're on the fidget cube
I'm just having fun.
with your fidget spinner. The food's all over your mouth. Right, we've nearly got 10 seconds to 6 minutes. Let's see if we can do it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 6 minutes. Well, let's see if we can get to 7 minutes. Oh, because on the website it said it spins between 4 and 6 minutes. So let's see if we can get to 7 minutes.
Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun. Dun, dun. Dun, dun. I think we're gonna make it. I think it's gonna make it. I think it's gonna make it. I don't think it's gonna make it. You don't think it will make it. I think it's gonna make it. I think it's gonna.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 7 minutes!
Yes!
Oh gosh, my phone went! And it didn't! There's the timer! Where's the timer? Oh, we didn't get to see 7 minutes 11.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Oh, we did it!
Done it! It's been for more than 6 minutes.
We did it. Right, anyway, it's been lovely seeing you guys today. And make sure you comment below. Let us know what kind of fidget spinner you have. If you have one, do you want a fidget spinner?
Or if you want the same kind as us.
Yes, do you want one like that?
Really
Oh, do you know what? We might do a giveaway with one of those. Put a comment down below if you want us to do a giveaway for a fidget spinner, and then we will do one.
Yeah.
Because we know there's some people that... Oh, look, the bearings have come out. It spans so much. That's funny. But yeah, comment down below, guys. Like the video and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you again soon. Bye. Chee-chee.